Wow! May jackpot be oh. May baso pa. Ayan oh, I can reach it. Ayun pa be oh, kita akong bag. Nandito pa bag. Check it. That towel. May sabon pa. Oh. Put that one basura. Oh, basura. Ano ba? May scratch bright. Scratch bright, baby. Oh. Yeah, remove the box. Okay. May laman. Ito. Remove the box, babe.
Okay.
Ito pa. Puro man pala to box kung nakuha mo. Ano to? Coloring. Okay. Okay. Put this one to the
Take my picture.
nakajakpat ka. Meron pa ba? Box na lang, box. Okay. This all box. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Makeup removing facial towel. It's a lot of like this and this.
What's that, right?
Makeup remover.
Oh, yeah.
Then look. Right. Can you give me the box for me? Yeah, put this one stuff. And look, this is what I found too for the toilet bowl.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Right.
Well, it's better than nothing.
Yeah. This is some crackers too. Yeah. Look, the ice cream.
Really?
Drumstick ice cream. Look, this milk. What did you get? Oh, cheese. Okay. 1 box of cheese. Nothing. Trash. Got this one. Nothing. What's this? Oh, I'm thinking got something.
I need this thing.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I know, right?
Because you know, when I do party,
Yeah.
you can sit snacks on it. Does it stand up?
Yep. But look, you can hang this one too.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Get the other one.
Yeah, I need put treats on it.
Yeah.
Chips.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'll paint this on the side. It's sticker. I'll take it off.
Okay, I open my trunk. We found something. We need to get this one a basket. Put this one our cheese. Find some 1 box cheese. And we found this one too. Got free gloves. And nothing else. Just box. Trash. Nothing else. Yeah. This one is nothing. Empty.
Yeah, look at those.
Okay, let's go. Time. Jackpot box. Look what we find. Okay, family. This chocolate. Wow. Oh, they got more. We get this one cart so we go shopping. Right here. Yeah, put right there. So we look like we go shopping. We're shopping. Got more chocolate here. This different one. I think different flavor. Okay, strawberry. Okay. I tried to get this one whole bag. Oh, okay. Let's see. Wow. Oh, panda strawberry, the snacks. Got one more box. One more. Wow. Okay, there's the trash. Hold on, we put that later. Let's see if we got more. It's hard to see. No. I think that's it. Just one bag. Yeah, I think just one. Okay. That's it. For the grocery. But the cart is broke. Oh, don't worry about it. Cart is broke. Okay.
Hello mga ka-subscribers! Kamusta po kayo? Tingnan nyo naman ang ganda ng panahon dito sa Jacksonville, Florida. Masyadong late. Sali po tayo mag-showerarat and birthday greetings. If today's your birthday, happy birthday! More birthday to come. And welcome na rin natin ang ating mga new subscribers. Welcome po sa aking channel. Salamat po! Hello to Ana May Jumalon, Cristina Infante, Joanna Fernandez, J.R. Ace, Danilo Jumalon, yes, lahat ng mga Jumalon, showerarat. Daisy Manzano, Roland Alas, Eleanor Fulminar, Vilma Abrimatia, Rowena Dorano, showerarat to you. Miss Arlene Medena, hello, Marcris Entero Barongo, Miss Elena Robles, Bernadette Ison, Delia Pacoldo, Miss Vivian Cortez, Ina Yanig, Sherlyn Mungkal, Miss Arlene Pascual, hello, Chris Montero, Michelle Francisco, Miss Maria Farida Amba, hello po, Eva Marie Domingo, Marie Chris Napaw, Maria Vertudaso Alvior, Emily Trafalgar, Sonjoy Mika, Jessica Aludo, Jessica Kahinde, and hello also to Christine May Esteban, Miss Florenda Sayangco, Johnny Di Arco, Beverly Tal, Miss Jessica Magbanwa, Edeline Di Guzman, Aisa Mariano, Hazel Narcisio, Miss Jocelyn Castro, Nanay Mir Nagabayno, hello po, Ate Sheila Balute, Jocelyn Lausaura, Maris Vivar, Nanay Bebe Francisco, Boyda, haler, Miss Ling Albor, hello, Manay Sophia, Miss Lilibet Gaton, Maria Clara, hello, and hello also to Miss Japan, and hello to Miss Helen Angela Camacho, Rihani Di Salungan, Rosemary Ayora, hello, Miss Marites Ayora, Leia Nuke, Leia Biludo, Miss Nene, Nelsie Lamag, Jenica Garcia, Miss Edeline Ramos, Nanay Adelaide Gaton, hello po, Nanay Minda Padua, lahat po ng mga nanay na nanonood dyan, hello po sa inyo. And hello also to May Colina, Manay Nicole, Nanay Rizalina Galeria, Alicia Morfe, and Sofia Somor, halar, and Miss Susan Romero. So dyan lang po muna kayo. Shoutout everyone. Salamat po sa patuloy na suporta. Ito na nga mga ka-subscribers ang kwento. Anong kwento? Sa pasilip-silip natin sa pamamasura, sa dumpster, ito yung ating naipon. Ayan po. Meron tayong isang box ng cheese. Makeup removing. At ito, panglagay sa carpet para maalis yung amoy. Pet's odor. Ganun. Meron tayong Ritz cracker at poke ng blank. Charing lang. Ayan po, chocolate siya. Yan yung pangalan niya. Happy birthday! If today's your birthday, happy birthday! More birthday to come. Gandara ng crown. At mga anik-anik nandito. Ayan. Ito pa. Ito panlagay sa toilet bowl. Ilagay ko na ito sa aking banyo. Magic eraser. Meron pang gel band-aids. Okay. At may scratch bright. Iyon. At may dalawang sabon. Ihalo sa parcel ba? Ano pa? Ito pang panglagay sa yung tainga. Kung ayaw mong marinig ang talak, ingay ng nanay mo. And this one, siguro just toys. Slime. Ayan po, yun lang. Wala pong iba. Laging tandaan, bilog ang mundo. Kaya kung ikaw ay may pinagdadaanan ngayon, inhale, exhale, bilog ang mundo. May ballpen at meron tayong cut grasser. Anong cut grasser? So yan lang mga ka-subscribers, panglagay lang ito sa parcel. Ihulog-hulog ko na ito sa box ni sino ba yon? Ni Ana May Jumalon. Yes. So, shawararat everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta. Medyo maganda ang panahon ngayon dito. Lagi naman ganun sa umaga. Ang init, ang ganda ng panahon. Tapos sa hapon sa gabi, biglang babagsak si Mr. Rain. Mr. Rain. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabets Let's Vlog. Bye! Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat!